Hello and good morning. So today I want to show you exactly what I do during my 2-hour workday. And as far as copying and pasting goes, that one's self-explanatory. It's copying and pasting on ads. Guess you'll have to put your email address in to see where and what ads. From there, let's see, I start my day with, let's get you over here to the screen so you can see. From there, I start my day with a couple of videos, right? Because Michelle is so gracious and she does videos for us every single day. Right now we are on a 90-day run to 10K, right? To make $10,000. And so we are on day 54, right? And this is everything. This is the main page. So this is everything from tech support to wins, right? And she went through on this one here, and she was able to finish her digital marketing business setup, and now she has money to pay her rent. Let me tell you how awesome that is. Anyway, so here we go. We have PayPal that got set up, and she's excited over that one. Trending video. She got 75,000 views. That is just amazing. Okay? And then we have Marsha here, who is doing a follow train on different media stations, and then we have the introductions. But let's come back up here. And so this is the categories, right? So if we just come over here to wins, let's see what kind of wins we've got for the day. My husband fixed this, so hey, see? Hi! Okay, so back to the page. So if we come over here to wins, 5 new posts. Let's see what those are. Wins. Come on. There we go. Okay, so officially a 6-figure earner in dollars. She hit 100,000 in 7 months with this program. I'm telling you, this works. And people are still like, no, it's done online. It's all a scam. No, it's not. No, it's not. This has worked too many times for too many people for it to be a scam. Okay? The outcome of the digital world is supposed to be like 7 trillion in the next 2 years. And my main concern is I need you to be a part of that. That's why I'm here, right? I need to help the mom with the calculator who goes to the grocery store and can't afford to get everything, okay? I am from small town USA, and that's what we do. We help each other, okay? It's a service thing. We just help, okay? Okay, then we come over here. This one hit, she's over 5,000, right? And she hit $900 today. And let's see, puts me over $5 less in 3 weeks. She says she could get used to this. Donna says she's never thought she'd be able to do it. Today, while walking out in the woods and creating 3 TikTok videos, she decided to do something she never thought she'd do. She picked a trending song and applied a silly filter, and now she's trending on TikTok. This one here is from South Africa, and this one here has made 130,185 in REN, which is 7,300 in her first month. Let me say that again for the kids in the back. In her first month, okay? And this one is excited as a win because she just did her first live this morning, and there were 87 people in there, right? And she knows that there's a light on at the end of the tunnel for her. This one made 11,700 in her first week, okay, on Facebook Live. I'm telling you, you need to get this set up, okay? Go to the website, put your email address in, and figure out which area you would like to start at. If you put your email address, if you go to the website, okay, and my website I will show you here in just a minute, okay? If you go to the website and you put your email address in here, okay, the one thing it's going to do is take you over to the main page. On the main page, we sell 4 different programs, okay? If you start with number 4, you can only sell number 4. If you sell number 3, then you can sell 3 and 4. If you start with number 2, okay, you can sell 2, 3, and 4, okay? If you get the big dog, the Legacy Builder, you can sell the Legacy and 2, 3, and 4, okay? And so that I'm not going through all of it with you exactly, okay? But this website is made for you, already done, finished, complete. All I had to do was put my name right here, put a picture, right? Mugshot's just about the same, okay? And then I had to tell about my story, why I got started, okay? So that in a year from now, I can look back at that and go, oh my gosh, right? And everybody needs that boost in their life. Everybody, okay? This is the Legacy Builder. This is what's offered in it. That's not all of it. That's just some of it, okay? And this is the 4 programs. You can either do it on, as long as you have Wi-Fi, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, or you can do it on your tablet. It doesn't matter, okay? This is what the Launchpad offers. And this is $100, and this is what it offers, okay? And then so on this page, it just automatically explains all of them for you, okay? But as any infomercial, okay? But wait, there's more. I laugh every time I say that. Because, you know, if you've never even dealt with Canva before, if you've never even done with ChatGPT before, you don't have to be tech savvy to get into this, okay? Because in this whole program is set up to have you learn verbatim, step by step, holding your hand on a video, okay? Then they're going to get you into a mindset for your first million, okay? And then from here, if you decide you don't want to be like me and put your face, your mugshot, right, on the camera, you can do the invisible. It's there. It's available, okay? So let's get you started. Oh, but Kim, I can't handle the $900. Yes, you can. We have financing, okay? And I have had individuals who have had to finance the $100. If you want change in your life enough, you will find a way. I have had a lady who went through and she had to sell, I don't even remember what it was. I think it was candles. And then she went and cleaned a couple of her neighbors' houses because she wanted to take part in the $600 program. And that's okay, because in 30 days she's gonna upgrade to the $900 program, and that's okay, okay? But know that if you set up the $100 program in 30 days, you get to do the next program, right? And you get to set it up again, which is really nothing more than putting your name in, your picture in, your biography in there. It's nothing more than that. It is just that easy, okay? But if you start with the $900 program, you're done setting up forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. There is a $29 website fee, but that makes it to where you don't have to set up your website. For $29, oh my gosh, please take my money, okay? Oh, let's see. And then from here, this shows that the rest of the stuff is financeable. Is that a word? It is now. It's mine. I'm coining it. Financeable. Anyway, if you're like me And I know you are. You were built for more, right? We all were built for more because we're all unique in our own way. So let's get this started with you today. Put your email address in and let's get you started, okay? And I am just so ready to celebrate you on your adventure, because this is truly an adventure. So we'll see you tomorrow, because this is what we do every day. Have a great day.